Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Devia from 3A class. The reason why I am here is because I want to fulfill my academic speaking midterm task, and I would like to present you the PowerPoint that I have made before. The topic is about instant noodles. Why did I choose this topic is because instant noodles are not something that is unfamiliar around us, and I'm pretty sure that you all have eaten it before, especially because the items are easy to get and the taste that can make us addicted, and also the prices are also cheap. Am I right? But you guys need to know, behind the cheap price and the taste that can make us addicted, consuming instant noodles continuously can causes a lot of disadvantages. So in this special occasion, I'm going to discuss what actually will I discuss is not instant noodles as general, like what is instant noodles or how it made. No, I'm not going to talk about that. What actually will I discuss is about the dangers of consuming instant noodles. And I separate it into 2 points. The first point is for the health of our bodies, and the second one is for our environment. The first one, for the health of our bodies. As we already know that instant noodles can indeed reduce hunger practically, but consuming this fast food cannot replace the nutrients that our bodies need. Why? Because in each pack of instant noodles contain things that are not good for our bodies, such as artificial seasoning and chemical preservatives. If we pile up those things in our bodies, it can endanger our body's health. And it is of course it's not good to pile up these things in our bodies. And what will happen if we pile up harmful chemicals in our body? The first one, it can damage our brain tissue cells. The second one, it can grow cancer cells in our bodies. And the third one, it can cause obesity. Isn't it scary? After seeing this, are you guys sure want to keep consuming it? I will not force you to stop consuming it because your health is your own responsibility. All choices are yours. Let's move on to the next point. The second point is for our environment. Wait a minute. Wait a second, So beside damaging our bodies, instant noodles can also damage our environment. Why? Because as we already know, plastic waste is very difficult to decompose, and commonly instant noodles wrapper is made with plastic, right? And which means in each pack of instant noodles wrapper will be hard to decompose. If we consume instant noodles too often, isn't it the same as we contributing or donating plastic waste to this earth? And of course, it is not something good to do. To prove it, I found an article in 2019. Someone discovered a plastic waste from an instant noodle wrapper that was produced in 2019. Remember, in 2019, someone discovered a plastic waste from instant noodle wrapper that was produced in 2000, which means it has been 8 years, and the wrapper is still intact, and there are no signs will unravel. That means that instant noodles wrapper, it shows us that instant noodles wrapper is really hard to decompose. So for the good of our bodies, our body's health, and also for our environment, let us reduce the consumption of instant noodles. I think that's all what I can inform to you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.